In this example, we are going to talk about nested list. Okay, so what they want is they want the output of name of any students having the second lowest grade, and if there are multiple students, then order their names alphabetically and print each on new line. Okay, so yes, this is a n, so it is the number of students, and the first line will be the name of student and the second line here will be the score of that student. Okay, so as the number of students is 5, there are 5 students. Okay, now here as you can see, the second lowest grade is of Barry and Harry, which is 37.21. Then we'll print their name. Okay, as there are multiple students whose score is second lowest, so we will print their names alphabetically. Okay, so here as you can see, they have printed it alphabetically. So let's proceed to the code. In this example, what we'll require a dictionary and also the list. So now we'll check if the score is in dictionary or not. If the score is already existing in a dictionary, then we'll just append a name for it. Here we have checked if the score is already in dictionary or not, and now if the score is not in dictionary, we'll create a new list for it. Okay, so now we have created a new list for that score. Okay, as you can see here, the score is same, but there are two different students having that same score. Okay, so their names we are storing it in this list. Okay, so there are multiple names now, so we'll require list for that. And now we'll store the score count inside this list. We will check here if score is not in L, and then we'll store using append inside that list. And what we'll do now is that we'll find the minimum score from this list and we'll remove it. Okay, why are we removing that minimum? Because we want second minimum. So if we remove this minimum score from the list, then we can access the minimum element after that, then we are getting the second minimum. Hope so you are getting it. So I'll just write a code and I'll explain it again. Okay, here I have taken a minimum element from this list and I have stored it under the variable m, and then I'll remove that m from that list. That is, I'll remove the minimum element from that list. As we have removed the minimum element from the list, so when we will again find a minimum element, then we'll get a second highest element from that existing list. Okay, so what I have done here, what I have done over here, I have just removed this element. Okay, so now the minimum element in the list will be 37.21. Okay, and now this is the second lowest grade. They have said us to print the names alphabetically. We are using a sort function to sort the dictionary. So here we are writing a dictionary and we are using sort function to sort that dictionary. So it's just dot sort and okay. So now we are using a for loop for iterating between dictionary, and then we'll print it. Okay, so we'll sort the dictionary according to the alphabetical orders, and then I am using for loop to print the values. So print the names basically. Okay, so by mistake I have written L over here. There will be M. So make this change, and here it is. So we'll now submit it and we'll check it again. Yes, it works. So if you have any doubt regarding this problem, so let me know in comment section given below. And also all the questions from this Python hackering series will be available on my channel. So thank you guys for watching this video.